Hello everyone. In this video, I will answer a question from a student. He is using the tangent command to jump to this button size. However, when he enters the command and selects the button, the command exits immediately and he can't perform any further actions. So if you are experiencing this situation, or if you know how to fix it, you can leave a comment below. This is because his part it hasn't been resized yet, and if it hasn't been resized, the button size can't be changed. And if I still try to resize this button, I have to add a grid point to the origin point. From this triangle point, I'll add a grid point so that it turns into this diamond-shaped point. After that, I'll use the grid command. You will select this button point and then select this origin point. This point must be a resizing point, or a point where you have to add a grid. Alright, so this panel will immediately appear and you can enter the value you want to resize the button here. And don't forget to subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong.